I'm Bashir. Once again, we are here to continue with our lesson. In our previous lesson, we learned about letter E. And today, it is going to be a new lesson. And before we can move on to the new lesson, I think it is very important for us to exercise our body so that we will look very active as the lesson goes on. So everybody should stand up. Yes. Hands up. Hands down. Up. Open. Clap. Open. Clap. Hands down. Okay. Everybody should jump 2 times. 1, 2. Then you twist your body. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay. Breathe in. Out. In. Out. Okay. Thank you very much. Everybody sit down. Okay. In our previous lesson, we learned about letter E. So, which letter starts with letter E, or which word starts with letter E? Yes? Elephant. Good. And then any other word? Again? Egg. Good. Okay, I need another person. Yeah? Yeah? Envelope. Okay. These are some of the things that we will learn, and there are many other letters that we have learned. In today's lesson, I will start by giving you some riddle so that you'll be able to know which letter comes. Riddle, riddle. We are 26, and I'm the 6th. Who am I? We are 26 in the family, and I'm the 6th born. Who am I? Yes? Okay. Put your hands together. Letter F. Good. So in today's lesson, we are going to start with letter F. As you can see on the board, this is letter F. This is the uppercase letter F. This is the lowercase letter F. Letter F. This is uppercase letter F, the lowercase letter F. We are going to use the lowercase letter to identify and pronounce some of the pictures that will be displayed on the board. This is letter F, the uppercase. The lowercase is letter F lowercase. But we are going to use a sound to identify some of the photos. So this one becomes F, F, F. And in order to come out with this sound, it is very important to control your mouth as if you are releasing the air from your mouth. So this one is okay. We have this photo. We start with this. This is letter F, the uppercase, the lowercase is F. But we are trying to identify this and pronounce this picture that you see on the board. So this is so this one is so this is father, 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 father. Remember that we are using the lowercase letter, the sound. So this is fish, fish, fish. So we go back again, we say father, father, fish, fish, fish. This is farmer, 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 farmer. So we go over again. Father, father, fish, 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 farmer, 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 farmer. Okay. Now, Amos. Again. Good. Father, father. Good. Thank you. Who again? Okay. Again? Okay. Fish. Again? Fish. One more. This one? Fish. Fish. Okay, we have another one. Okay, Maxwell. Again? Farmer. Farmer. Okay, thank you very much. Put your hands together. Okay, let us see what we can do with this, whether we can match these names with the photos that have been displayed on the board. Okay, I have something here. And as you can see, it's father, father, father. So, which part should this name be placed? Yeah? Which part? Okay, the first part. Good. Well done. We still have 2. Okay. We have fish. Fish. Okay. Okay. This place? Okay, okay, you are right. The second place. Good. Now the last one. I need a volunteer. Okay, okay. 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 You just mentioned the position before I pick the name. So now you can understand what we are doing. Now let us go over. As we've started, we talked about this uppercase, which is letter F. The lowercase is F. But we are trying to identify these photos and also pronounce them as it's supposed to be. So this become when we are using the sound. So father, fish, farmer. So if we want to go through it, you say father, fish, farmer. So father, fish, farmer. Father, fish, farmer. So the names have also been displayed here very nicely. I think I will take this, give you this one as an assignment. I will take out the names so that you will not copy it, so that you can go and then do it and place them by their names and bring them. I think here is where time will permit us. Until we meet again in the next lesson, remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel, CIA Cambodia Intellectual Academy. You can also find us on Facebook and other social media platforms to subscribe. We have a lot of videos to be uploaded, so we will continue to update you. We wish you good luck, good health as you are waiting to come back to school. Thank you very much.